novated lease is a popular vehicle financing option that offers numerous benefits for employees. The greatest being all the savings you'll make on the car purchase, running costs, and reducing your income tax. So, how does a novated lease differ from purchasing a car with a car loan? When you finance a car via a loan, the loan and all the car running costs are serviced with your net pay. When you novate a car, you're making a three-way agreement between yourself as an employee, your employer, and the finance company to purchase and run your car. And with this comes some impressive savings. Firstly, you will save on the GST cost of the car, since GST is not payable on new vehicles under a novated lease. Then, you pay for most, if not all, of your car's running costs, including the finance payments, with pre-tax pay. This results in potential tax savings by lowering your taxable income. By budgeting and bundling every car cost into affordable instalments per pay cycle, including insurances, fuel, servicing, registration, tyres, car washing, and roadside assist, you'll have the ability to enjoy your car with no hidden surprises or running costs unaccounted for, giving you complete peace of mind. Now, let's talk about your car, because a novated lease with Eziway puts you in the driver's seat when selecting the car you desire. You can choose any car from any manufacturer you like. Any car can be leased, new or used, through a dealer as long as the car is within the allowed age at the end of the lease. Searching for your next car is also easy on EasyDrive. Our national dealer network has every local dealer fighting for your business. EasyDrive captures short-term and run-out sales, enabling you to make the most of our exclusive fleet discounts. And the terms? Novated lease terms are flexible to suit your lifestyle, available from 1 to 5 years with fixed interest payments. Approval is fast, simple, and where possible, the application is approved within 24 hours. So, let us help you find your dream car, sort out the finances, set up your budget, combining all costs into one amount per pay cycle with your pre- and post-tax money. We'll personally manage your lease for its entire term via an assigned, experienced, dedicated Eziway vehicle administrator. All you do is watch your savings rev up. If you need to download the My Eziway account app, it's available in your app store. Enjoy the Eziway leasing experience. It's the benefit that drives you.